Part 2. I hit the wrong button on the phone. Damn it. We're just looking for pink eye. Anybody lame? Make sure everybody's here. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. This hot weather don't do them any justice. I'm going to do a quick count here. Should have 25 total. 21 cows. I take that back. 26 total. 21 cows. 3 beefs. And a bull. That is 25. What you doing? What you doing, pretty girl? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I may have missed some. Start over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. He just popped out. But other than that, they're looking good. They got plenty eating. Not like last year. I was feeding hay in freaking beginning of July. Over and out.